Hello YouTube, and welcome to KhaStudios. Today we're gonna make a game about drawing. So I'm pretty used to Scratch, but for those newbies out there, I will help you. So you can see an add extension button here. We can choose an extension. For today, we're gonna use the pen extension. Click that. Now you have pen. If you don't know what pen is, let me explain. Pen down, you can, let's make a script first. For pen down, it writes stuff, but if you click pen up, it won't write stuff anymore. So that's how it is. There's also erase all that erases all pen. And that's how we do it. So right now, we're gonna have to say goodbye to Scratch Path. Goodbye, Scratchy. There. Now draw one single little dot. Like how I explained it to you, this is gonna be our pen thing. So first, let's make it go to math portrait. Forever. There. Now what you want to do is, when mouse down, wait, if then and else block. If mouse is down, then make pen down. If it's, that else means if it's not pen, if mouse is not down, then put pen up. See? Wait. Hide this first, I think. And boom! You can draw. This is going to be a short one, so that's going to be it for part 1. If you want part 2, like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. See you, YouTube! Goodbye!